Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and go to Developer Options to enable Freeform windows. If developer options are hidden, tap build number 7 times in About Phone. In Developer Options, toggle Allow Freeform windows to on and enable Force activities to be resizable. These two toggles unlock the Freeform feature system-wide. Restart your device or log out for changes to apply immediately. After restart, Freeform mode will be available when open recent apps and drag any app card toward the new window button to open it in Freeform. Alternatively, long press an app icon in the launcher and choose Open in Freeform window when that option appears. You can start split screen, then drag an app from recent into the floating area to convert it to a Freeform window. Each method creates a resizable floating window you can move and layer above other apps on Android 14. Drag any window edge to resize and use corners for diagonal resizing with precision. Use the title bar to drag windows around the screen and reposition them quickly. Double-tap the title bar to maximize or restore the window size as needed. Tap the three-dot menu in the title bar to snap, minimize, or close the Freeform window. Use keyboard shortcuts and gestures when available to switch focus and move windows between displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.